Namaste everyone, Master Praveen here. I wish and I hope that you all are fine and you all are doing great. And the main thing, you are doing your yoga practice every day, जो कि बहुत important है. So I'm here. I'll give the one update about my upcoming course. That is about 25 hours yoga for advanced flexibility. I'm so happy to say कि अभी we start our yoga for flexibility course about 30 hours. That is going to be finished on this coming Tuesday, on 8th of June, and after 2 days gap. So I'm starting once again the same batch because I'm getting a lot of requests that you should start again this batch. Of course, my old student, they are really very much excited to start again. So if somebody is a new, or if somebody really want to be improve your flexibility, because this course is basically focused on the increase the flexibility. The main thing like the preparatory practices and some drills, like how you can use that कि पर्टिकुलर किसी पोस्चर के अंदर आपको कैसे जाना है, किस किस तरह की टेक्निक्स आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, एंड किस तरह की मॉडिफिकेशंस आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपनी बॉडी के अकॉर्डिंग. सो दैट इज़ ऑल वी विल बी लर्न इन दैट कोर्स. सो दिस कोर्स विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 12th of June. So from 12th of June, and this course will be finished, nearby idea is about 4th of July. इसमें there about 20 classes will be there, and each and every class will be about 75 minutes. In the first few sessions, I will repeat few things again which I already did in the yoga for flexibility, about some like basic things you need to be focused, like some movements, spine, neck, your pelvic, your some basic alignment topics, because based on this your all the practice will be there. So once again, the time will be for this course will be 8 a.m. to 9:15. This will be Monday to Saturday. The course will be like Monday to Friday. The time will be 8 to 9:15, and on Saturday the time will be about Saturday the time will be 9 to 10:50, because Saturday my another course is going on, that is 6:30 to 8:30. So after finish, then I will be start this one. So if somebody is interested in that, so please let me know as soon as possible, because I already got a few registration for this course. If somebody is new, or if somebody is doing the yoga quite for a long time, or they want to be improve their flexibility, they want to be increase their more understanding about the yoga and some particular asana, so you can contact with me. I will give you all the details related to this course. And the concept will be almost same which we did in the last batch. Means flexibility is not only for the back bending and the forward bending. In flexibility will be include each and every forms of the asanas, like we'll be focused on the back, on the hip, the hamstring, your side bending, your twisting, your arm strength, and your arms flexibility, your shoulder flexibility. So all this concept will be work on that. So I'll wait for your confirmation. If you are really very much interested in that, so please contact on the given number, so that I can send you all the details about the fees, about the payment and that. And one thing more, this course is affiliated from the Yoga Alliance USA. That will be under the YACEP course, which I always explain about it. So and the payment, the fees will be on the two way, like one, if somebody want to do with certificate, or if somebody want to do without certificate, so you have that option. There is some little difference in between that, so you can decide and just let me know. Thank you so much. Take care. Hari Om. Om Shanti. Namaste.